Hi everyone. So here we will start to understand how a neural network is based. So it is based in our biological brain, and we have as our brain some neurons, okay, and also some connections, okay. So this is a very basic neural network, and here we'll have five neurons here, 3 here, 4 here, and 2 here. And as you can see, every neuron is fully connected to the next group of neurons. Okay, so here the neuron 1 is connected to neuron 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so every neuron is fully connected to the next neuron, and we can group these neurons as a layer. Okay, so we have here one layer, another layer, here another, and here another. And depending on the position this layer is, we will know and differentiate three types of layers. The first layer, that is this, and it doesn't have any input neurons, is known as the input layer. Okay, the layers that are between another layer are called hidden layers, and they are fully connected with the input neurons and also with the output neurons. And finally, we have the output layer, that it doesn't have an output layer, like we don't have any neurons after this layer. Okay, so these are the basic structure of a network. As you have seen, we have, this is the input layer, this is the hidden layers, that in this case we have two, and this is the output layer. Here we can have more than two hidden layers. In this case I have two, but we can have more or only one hidden layer, or even any. But we must have one output layer and one input layer. Why? Because we have only one input data, because here we will set the input data. In the previous video we see that we have a digit image. So here we will convert the image to values and store it on every network. And in the output layer we'll have, in the previous example, we have the possible digits, okay, and each neuron will be one possible answer, and the value that it stores is the probability, and the probability the network thinks he is right.